So the first thing I'm going to do, just grab this little small candle holder. They have it in Dollar Tree. Just go ahead and put some hot glue on top. And I'm going to take one of these glass and attach them together just like that. And then I'm going to take this plate. They have it in clear. I spray painted, but you can leave it in clear if you would like it as well. Then I'm going to take my candle and put some hot glue at the bottom and attach it into place just like that. Then after that, I'm going to take some flowers and place it like that. I'm going to do different colors. I mean, 2 colors. You could do whatever color you would like. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it all around it. So I'm going to do that to another one. I'm going to make 2 of the same one. And then I'm going to take the same plate in this long candle holder to make a longer one as well. So I'm going to attach it into the plates. And then I'm going to attach the glass on top. And then I'm going to place the flower all the way around it. Then go ahead. I'm going to pour my candle in each of my glass. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think it came out beautiful. It's so elegant and it's so simple to make that you guys can do it at home. You could do different flowers, different colors, and you could also do like the middle one, 3 of the same in the middle. You could do all a small one. It's up to you. I'm just giving you these ideas. And then for the next idea, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of the small plates. And I'm going to take this little gold branch. I'm going to put some hot glue at the bottom. And then I'm going to put it in and like that. Hold it into place a little bit. And then I'm going to squeeze it together so it can hold in place. And then I'm going to take some hot glue and put a little bit more hot glue all around it like that. And then it should be fine and it should hold in place. Then after that, I'm going to take my glass. I'm going to put some hot glue all around it as well. And I'm going to attach it to the little plate like that. Once I do that, put some hot glue on top and attach another plate on top and put your candle. And then put the powder candle as well. It's up to you. Then I decided to put a little bit of flour at the end. This is for another DIY if you don't want to show the glue, and then attach it again. And this is how it looks with the powder only, which I think is so simple and cute, and you guys can do it so easy at home. And then you can do it with a tall one, which is this one that is taller, and I think this one looks a little bit better than the other one, but it's up to you to decide which one you like better to do. So I hope you guys like this one. Then I'm like, I cannot just do this DIY. I have to come up to do something different as well. And then I put another plate on top if you could do it like this as well. But then I'm like, there's another idea that I have. Let me see to try to do something more different. And then I grabbed the other plate of the candle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue on the top and then place the plate on top. And then I'm gonna do the same process that I did before, which is put another cup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue around it and then attach it. Then I'm gonna put another plate and then put my candle on top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This one is like for a little taller version. This one you could also make another tower if you want, like make another one to make it taller. It's up to you. And I hope you guys like all these DIYs idea. And thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.